Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. My name is Aini Binti Arasad. My matric number 245804. My supervisor is Prof. Madia Dr. Yohanis Binti Yusuf and my lecturer is Dr. Hazina Binti Harun. So today I will present about requirement analysis and my project title is QR code greeting card. So we go to the introductions. Firstly, the purpose of QR code greeting card is to provide opportunity to card sender to create an e-card that may include not only text but also other type of informations such as images and audio. The e-card is a secured greeting card as only designated card recipient can retrieve the content, and as greeting card may include personalized messages that is specifically dedicated to the designated recipient. The use of QR code is able to secure the messages with a security password. Hence, the communications and relationship between sender and recipient can be strengthened. We go to the project scope, which is we have two type of project scope, which is user and also system. So for user, everyone can use this system to create and send the secured greeting card. So the sender that concerns with the personalized and confidential messages and also the security of the card content. So the sender should have a good basic computer skill, and also greeting card sender will have the opportunity to create and decorate their own greeting card depending on celebratory occasions such as birthday, graduation, weddings, and other for other social expression purpose. So for the system scope, a web-based application of QR code greeting card is a web-based, and the software that requires such as HTML, Notepad++, Adobe Photoshop, JetBrains, and also Intelligent IDEA. A web-based application can generate information and output it graphically, such as black and white QR code and also a greeting card. So we go to the system function. First is sender must sign up and log in. Second, sender will create greeting card, and then system will create a QR code, will generate the QR code for the sender, and also sender will send the greeting card, and also the receiver can view the greeting card. We go to the functional requirement. I have two functional requirement, I mean non-functional and functional. For functional, we have two actor, which is sender and also receiver. For sender, we have login and sign up, which is sender can log in with username and password. New user can register a new account. For create card, sender can add greeting card, sender can edit the greeting card, sender can delete the greeting card, sender can save the greeting card by clicking save button. For information, this system also provide and automatically save the greeting card without sender click the button save. But for safety, sender can click the save button. So next is create QR code. So sender can create QR code by clicking create QR code button. So when sender click that QR code button, create QR code button, so the system will generate the QR code for sender. And then send the greeting card. So sender can send the greeting card by clicking send button, and also sender can insert receiver information. For view card history, sender can view the card history by clicking view history button, and also sender can delete the card in the card history. This function is can be accessed when the sender already sent the greeting card. And receiver, for function for receiver is receiver will scan the QR code and receiver will verify the password. So for non-functional requirement, we have four non-functional requirement, which is performance, reliability issue, usability issue, and also security issue. So for this use case diagram for QR code greeting card use case diagram, we have two actors actually, which is sender and also receiver. So the first one, sender can log in, sender can create card, sender can create QR code, sender can send a greeting card, and also sender can view the card history. For the receiver, he or she only can view the greeting card, which is scan QR code and also verify the password. We go to this one is a sequence diagram for login and sign up, which is this is the flow one, and we have for exceptional and also alternative one, which is sender can insert the username and password. I'm sorry, it's not clear here. And this one for alternative, this one for exception. Exception is like user sender insert invalid password or username. So this one will occur, and this one for alternative, which is if a new member they want to join, so it can click sign up. We go to the quick card. For the quick card, this is the sequence diagram for the quick card, and we have two alternative flow and three alternative flow and also one exception flow. For alternative flow, we have edit greeting card and also delete greeting card. So this is the flow, how create card will be, which is sender can create the QR code, create the card, and then they will save it automatically and also can click the save button. When the sender click cancel button, so it will back to the main page. This is the main page, credit card page, credit card controller, and credit card info. This is the database where the card, all the card information, all the card will save in the database, which is card info. So this one is a create QR code. Create QR code is not sender that create the QR code, but sender will click the QR code button at the create card page, and create QR code page will display. So when a sender insert the URL or image to create the QR code, so the system automatically will generate the QR code here. So it will save it in the card info in the database. So this one is for sending greeting card. It's basically the same, which is we have QR code, create QR code page, send greeting card controller, receiver info, where this one sender must insert the receiver information, which is he or her name, email. It's a mandatory, and also password. It's also mandatory because it's really important in order to send the greeting QR code. So system will send the QR code through the email that sender already insert in the information, and it will store in the receiver info, and the card will store in the card info. So we go to the view card history, which is sender must we can view card history, which is they can delete or just just see through what it's what he or she have been sent to the greeting card, to who, to what date, the time, like that. So all info, all the card history is already saved in the card info database. So next one, this one for receiver is a view greeting card. So receiver basically will receive the email, and a receiver will open the email. So basically the rule of this view greeting card, receiver must install a QR code scanner in their device, so that it will automatically can scan the QR code, and then it will prompt display the password form. So receiver must insert the password that match with the sender password, which is, it will be the receiver phone number. So basically it will get the info from the receiver info and card info. We go to the class diagram, which is the main point is the login controller, which is it will control everything, and everything that that everything will begin with the login. Because if you not login, you can create card, you can't create QR code, you can send a greeting card, you can see the view the card history, and also you can even get to create the card. So this one is the page. So login controller, it will update the sender info by sender sign up the this QR code greeting card web base. So credit card controller will control the credit card page, and also will update the card info. Credit QR code controller will control the credit QR code page, and also update card info. It goes same for send greeting card. It will update and will update the receiver info, which is these two is important for send greeting card controller. And also card history controller will control history page, and also update card info. This one for receiver, which is queue greeting card controller, and also we control the view greeting card page, and also update the receiver info. So basically it's not really mess, what I can say. So that's all. Thank you.